Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create a beautiful macrame mirror. This mirror is perfect for adding a bohemian touch to your home decor. Before we begin, let's go over the materials you'll need: a wooden hoop, macrame cord, measuring tape, scissors, a round mirror, and a hot glue gun. First, measure and cut your macrame cord. The length depends on your design and hoop size, but I'm cutting mine into 95 centimeter lengths. Use your measuring tape for accuracy and scissors for a clean cut. We will start by cutting 4 cords, each 95 centimeters long. These cords will be the first set we work with to start our design around the hoop. Once cut, fold each cord into 2 unequal halves. One side should measure 45 centimeters and the other side 50 centimeters. This asymmetry is a key part of our design. Now simply connect each cord to the hoop using a lark's head knot. Now, with our cords attached, take the 2 ends of these cords. These are our working cords. Use them to tie a square knot. This will begin to form the intricate pattern of our macrame mirror. Next, we'll add an interesting texture to our design by creating a berry knot. To make a berry knot, you'll use the square knots we just made as a base. With 2 berry knots completed, it's time to connect them. Simply use a square knot to join the 2 berry knots together. This will help to form a cohesive pattern and add strength to the structure of our mirror. Adjust the knots gently to align them perfectly. We will now tie a double half hitch knot. Take your time to get it right, and you'll see how it beautifully shapes the overall look. Now that we have done with our knotting sequence, it is time to repeat this pattern all around the hoop. Continue attaching cords, creating square and berry knots, connecting them, and finishing with double half hitch knots. Ensure each segment is evenly spaced to maintain a symmetrical design. This repetition will create a stunning, cohesive pattern for the entire macrame mirror. Once you have completed the pattern around the hoop, here is a handy tip to give your macrame mirror a polished finish. Lightly spray the entire piece with fabric stiffening spray or hairspray. This will help to stiffen the cords, keeping them neatly in place and enhancing the overall look. Be sure to spray evenly and not too close to avoid any clumping. Trim the excess cords in the pattern you desire. Whether it is a straight cut or an angled design, this step will enhance the overall appearance of your mirror. For the final step, it is time to attach the mirror. Turn the macrame to its backside and apply glue from the hot glue gun. Carefully place the mirror on it, making sure to position it correctly and quickly before the glue dries. This ensures a strong bond between the macrame and the mirror. Lastly, it's time to prepare our macrame mirror for hanging. For a simple approach, apply double-sided tape to the back of the mirror. This tape allows for easy mounting on the wall and provides a secure hold without damage. Alternatively, if you prefer a more traditional hanging method, you can attach a hook to the back of the mirror. This option is great if you plan to hang the mirror in a place where it may need to support more weight or be moved frequently. And there you have it, your very own handmade macrame mirror. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafty ideas. And don't forget to comment below with any other tutorials or videos you'd like to see.